Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this spooky Halloween scene. So I'm going to take moss to start with and paint a nice even layer all over the nail and cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then using Layer It, again a nice even coat all over the nail and cure for 60 seconds in the lamp. Then I'm going to take chrome powder in fairy dust. And using a sponge applicator, I'm going to rub that all over the nail, buffing it in and wiping off any excess dust. Then I'm going to top coat that with matte top coat, and again we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. Using a P1 brush and the black pigment powder, I'm going to pop this all around the edges of the nail and blend into the centre, removing any excess dust. I'm going to pop some black magic onto my palette, and using my S1 brush, just going to make a coffin shape in the bottom left hand corner. And then next to that, where there's some space, I'm going to pop a cross in there. Just going to flash cure that for 10 seconds while I'm painting some spooky tree branches above that, and obviously give that a full cure for 30 seconds in the lamp. I'm going to take some white magic and add a little cross to the coffin and some dots and stars around the skyline and cure that for 30 seconds again. And I'm then going to finally top coat the whole design with matte top coat. You can shiny top coat if you prefer, but I like matte for Halloween. Cure that again for 60 seconds, and then using your finishing wipe, give it a little rub over, and that's the final scene done.